Right. I put it that way. Exactly. Hey, it's the minor leagues. It's still New York. Yeah, exactly. Hey, but I'm not a coach. Yeah.
Whoa! Holy cow, that was not me.
You?
No, it wasn't me.
Yeah. You run in the back of my train, it's going to cost you big time.
Oh no, in your train. You're coming.
Jack's train?
It wasn't me, but I'm coming to see what happened. Came into the scene of the accident. I came into the scene.
Jack's train?
Yeah, this one. Yeah, I came into the scene of the accident. What do you think of that, Ken? I came into the scene of the accident. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. The coaches. Jack?
Where's your train? I'm sorry, you died in the engine when it went off the cliff.
Okay.
I'm just gonna switch to another train, I swear to God. You said that earlier and you didn't.
It crashed. If it hit that, it ran into that, car. It was hit the line when a big avalanche of snow poured onto the track. Nothing but a red rock. Bring the coaches. Whoa.
I caught it before it went off the side of the layout.
Try again.
Yeah, I'm bringing this thing in. It's more of a prototypical station.
That's new. I'm running the Pennsylvania Steam Local.
There, right?
Yeah. On the blue line.
I'm gonna get a coupler. Kate drives too slowly.
Yeah. Well.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I saw yours derail and yes, well, when your train derailed.
Pacific Boxcar multi-track.
Wow. Watch out! Watch out, Jack! Jack! Oh, and a big big avalanche of snow came into the track. Oh well.
Oh, you did?
He's not paying attention.
And that's what happens. And that's what happens. And that's what happens.
That juju, dude. It was $800 worth of cars.
And that's what happens.
Charging.
Oh no. And they're over here. I'm bringing them down.
I accidentally have two of your intermodals.
For tilt, the bridge is perfectly flat. It's tracked at the back.
Two others have been left behind. A couple of them have left behind.
How many of them?
They got left behind. Yeah. Yeah, part of the train got away. Had escaped. Huh. Yeah, look at it. These trains trying to come up the hill.
Wow, look at all this.
This was decimated on fire.
They're on the ground. They're on the ground.
Uh-oh.
Someone's on the ground.
Go! Oh no.
Locomotive is on the ground.
Yeah, it's not me. It's not.
Hey, who just came out of the conference room?
Huh?
Who just came out of the conference room?
What the hell?
The locomotive's on the ground.
And it's front wheels and its wheels are slipping.
Where did my remote go? What the hell?
We actually set up the one that resets to one all the time. Joe, are you staying? Yeah.
You've been here 5 minutes and you're getting the blame already.
I know. Don't crumble on anything. That's why there's an out for that. For a hot touch on his face, coming head to head. I'm like,
Okay.
Okay, Patrick, yes.
Yeah.
Get out of my way, sir. Get up. All right, well done.
Boof. Boof. We got him.
Yeah, but I think I coupled up to them. Yeah, I got it. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.
Yeah. That's crazy.
It's gonna be crazy if this.
It's trying. Yeah, well, Jack, it's trying.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And it did it.
How? That's impossible.
You got two locomotives. You should be able
Whoa!
What the hell?
derail.
Yeah.
Indeed. Someone called the FRA. We're violating the regulations.
Oh no. I just. Try again. Hey, your wheels were slipping.
Go.
See, can it? That's
Oh, are they doing the thing? Oh, they are. Why?
the wheels are. Its wheels slipping. Oh no, your wheels are slipping, Jake.
I don't know what's going on here.
We fine, Jack?
Yep. I should have taken these cards with me when I did my first move.
Perfect, huh? Doing right? Holy shit. Ooh. So, are you here? It's just weird how like Sir Connor's doing that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Hang on. Oh, shit. Whoops.
Oh no!
Not bad. Not bad.
It derailed it. Look at its wheels slipping.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Stop, stop. Riley!
Riley? Your Jack's
help.
trains.
Help. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me, help. Your thing's fine, by the way.
I'm okay.
Help.
No, it's not fine.
We tried to put.
How much was that?
The one time I decided to bring this thing up, it gets.
Oh well. Well, Riley, things happen. It happens. Oh. Alright. Its wheels are slipping. Its wheels are slipping, Riley. Look at it. It's trying so hard, isn't it? Look, it's trying so hard. It made it, huh? It made it. At least
we can always help
with a bit of a helping hand, huh? There, now you're talking.